Um, so this is my Frogger game. So I have all of the Bitmoji code up here. Um, and I have my variables, all of the button code that we took from the click button um, con, and so button stuff, and then my start screen where here that you can see here where it says a brown Frogger start button, and then all the drawing the beaver stuff, which we don't really need anymore. Um, and then so this is so that the sticks or the cars rather draw themselves, and then it's the array of sticks. And then we changed this number from 40 to 100 so that we had 400 cars into the loop. And then we have the so we call the start screen, and so this right here is the code, and this here is the code for the gameplay screen. But we put it into an if statement so that if the variable boolean1 equals true, then it'll show this. But we up top here we set that boolean variable to false so that the gameplay screen wouldn't play until the start button is clicked, or that we have here, mouse clicked function. The mouse is inside the start button, then the boolean will then equal true, and then we will see the gameplay screen. And so we have so this says that once 50 cars go across the screen, then the speed will double. And then, because this is the original speed, 1. And then, once all of the cars pass this line here, this X at 400, then we will see the game over screen, which we are about to see in a second. And then, when the key is pressed, Bitmoji will move up, and then once the key is released, it will fall. There's the game over screen, and then the mouse clicked. And that's all.